Okay, we're gonna try something a little unconventional here today. I've got my stinger hooked up to the old square wave. As you can see, I have it set to TIG, and I have the foot pedal plugged in. So, I'm gonna try stick welding with a foot pedal. I've never tried this. Don't know what's gonna happen. Stay tuned to find out. So I'm gonna be running 3/32 electrode. Get the welder set at like 110, but of course, because I'm using a foot pedal, I can do whatever I want with that. And I'm not gonna wear gloves or long sleeves or safety glasses, so you can all comment about that. So let's give her a shot. So that wasn't really that different from regular stick welding, other than, well, if it did get too hot, I could back it down. However, this is 1/4" plate, and this is a 332, so odds of it getting too hot are not high. I freak. Not really. It's the high frequency in these machines are not designed to strike up a 7018. They're designed to strike off a ground to a point electrode. So I don't know. Let's try it again. Maybe I'll try to make this one straight. So that time I put a little more effort into getting the high frequency to strike the arc for me, and it worked. So I stand corrected. High frequency in these machines can strike a 332 electrode. I'm going to try to set up an arc shot here. However, if I fail, please forgive me. Okay, probably the world's worst arc shot. Here's my setup here. Folgers coffee can, the fucking beat up Welding hood. Probably gonna need darker shade for that if I'm gonna do this again. So there's the very first one I ran. There's the second one. there's the one where there was a piece of steel under my foot pedal, so I couldn't push it all the way down. There's the one I thought I was filming. Now here's the one you guys just watched. It looks like a 7018 weld. I don't claim to be the best welder. I do quite a bit of stick welding. However, usually in some fucking pretty funky spots. I'm not used to being on a bench, so this is a little different for me. I guess you could see the high frequency in the first part of that video. You could see I didn't strike the arc per se. However, I can't quite bring myself to not break the arc the way you do with a stick welder at the end of the weld. I haven't TIG welded in probably 5 years. I'm gonna get back into it here. I just got the square wave set up in my garage here. Just ordered a new torch for it. This one I got kind of sucks. So maybe you see some TIG welding out of me. If you found this entertaining, I am sorry that your life is as boring as mine is. If you learned something, I'm happy for you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you on the next one.